What if I told you that making your first $1 million isn't just about luck, but about strategy, mindset, and action? Most people dream of becoming millionaires, but very few take the right steps to get there. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can make your first $1 million, even if you're starting from zero. I'll show you the mindset you need, the systems you must build, and the practical steps you can start taking today to make this dream a reality. This isn't get-rich-quick advice, it's about building sustainable wealth the smart way. So if you're ready to change your life, stick around. Let's get into it. The millionaire mindset. Before we get into the actionable steps, we will sure start with the mindset. The first step to making $1 million starts in your mind. You need to think like a millionaire before you can become one. Let's talk about what that actually means. 1. Abundance over scarcity. Millionaires believe opportunities are everywhere. They don't focus on what they lack, they focus on what they can create. 2. Long-term vision. You won't make $1 million overnight. Wealth building takes patience and strategy. Think in terms of years, not weeks. 3. Willingness to take risks. Playing it safe will never make you rich. Millionaires take calculated risks. They invest, they start businesses, they bet on themselves. 4. Learning and growth. If you want to earn more, you have to learn more. Read books on finance, take courses, surround yourself with people who are ahead of you. 2. The millionaire skill set. Mindset alone isn't enough. You need skills that make you valuable. Here are the high-income skills you should focus on. 1. Sales and persuasion. Every business depends on sales. Whether you sell products, services, or ideas, mastering this skill is non-negotiable. 2. Marketing. If you can attract attention and turn it into profit, you'll never struggle financially. Learn digital marketing, content creation, and branding. 3. Investing. Millionaires make their money work for them. Learn how to invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses wisely. 4. Problem solving. The bigger the problems you solve, the more money you make. Focus on providing solutions that people are willing to pay for. 3. The millionaire path. Now let's get into the practical roadmap to your first $1 million. 1. Increase your income. You can't save your way to $1 million if you're only making $40,000 a year. Find ways to boost your income. Start a side hustle, change careers, or build a business. 2. Create multiple streams of income. Millionaires rarely rely on one income source. Think of active income, like your job, and passive income, like investments, royalties, or real estate. 3. Save and invest aggressively. Once your income grows, don't waste it. Save a significant portion and invest it wisely. Compound interest is your best friend. 4. Start a business. One of the fastest ways to wealth is through entrepreneurship. Build something scalable, whether it's a product, a service, or an online business. 5. Build an audience. In today's world, attention equals money. Whether it's through YouTube, social media, or a blog, build a platform and monetize it. 4. The power of systems. Millionaires don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. 1. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers so you're consistently building wealth without thinking about it. 2. Track your net worth. What gets measured gets managed. Keep a close eye on your assets, liabilities, and progress. 3. Time management. Your time is your most valuable asset. Prioritize high-impact activities and avoid distractions. 5. The millionaire lifestyle. Once you start building wealth, your lifestyle should reflect discipline, not extravagance. 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. Keep your expenses in check. 2. Network with the right people. Surround yourself with ambitious, growth-minded individuals who push you to be better. 3. Stay humble and keep learning. The journey doesn't stop at $1 million. Keep growing, investing, and improving. Conclusion. Making your first $1 million isn't easy, but it's possible. With the right mindset, skills, and strategy, you can build real, lasting wealth. Start today by taking one small step, whether it's learning a new skill, creating a side hustle, or investing a small amount. Remember, the biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And drop a comment below. What's one step you're going to take today toward your first $1 million? I'll see you in the next one. Let's build that mindset and that wealth.